The New Bird in Town by Jamie L.B. Denahan and Carrie Hartman. The New Bird in Town. Sold. With the help of his forest estate agent, Owl found the perfect home. It had everything he needed, except new friends. When Owl spotted his neighbors, he called out his friendship song that sounded a lot like, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you, all?" Did you hear that? Someone's calling out. Up there. Who's that? Let's find out. The new bird's a barred owl. Owls are predators and they seek prey from their perch and mostly eat small mammals. We're small mammals. When no one called back, Owl swooped down to introduce himself. He tried to blend in. Move away slowly, and offered to share his food. The new bird needed a new plan. He made invitations. Dear neighbors. He decorated his tree and put on his favorite party outfit and his friendliest face. Says, "Welcome, friends." He's really trying. Dear neighbors, I'd love to have you all for dinner tonight at my tree warming party. Your neighbor, Owl. I smell a trap. Me too. Me 3. The new bird wants to eat us for dinner. Maybe have our friends for dessert. We'd better keep a close eye on him. Ooh, I love parties. Owl waited and waited and waited. Poor Owl. I'll never make new friends. Who cooks for you? Boo hoo hoo. Boo hoo hoo. Boo hoo. Help! A skunk! Please don't spray me! Hi! Wait, are you going to spray me? No. Were you planning to eat everyone at your tree warming party? No, I prefer crayfish. I'm sorry I scared you. I'm sorry I panicked. Your stripe makes you look tough. I only spray when I'm in danger. There's something different about your feathers. When I eat a lot of crayfish, they turn pink. When I call out, I'm hoping for a friend to call back to me. Want to try it sometime? Yes, I'd love to be your friend. The new bird has Skunk trapped. Poor Skunk, she's doomed. He'll eat her for dinner. Skunk sandwich, skunk salad, skunk soup. And then he'll eat us. Mouse mousse, bat brownies, possum pudding. Possum pudding? Oh no! Possum! And there goes Owl. What's Owl gonna do? Owl saved Possum. Don't eat us. There's no meat on these wings. Eat him. Back off, new bird. I know karate. I don't want to eat you. You don't? I want to be friends. Oh, well, thanks for saving me. This is embarrassing. Awkward. Didn't see that coming. I don't really know karate. Al's new friends walked him home. Do you want to see my new place? Yeah. Did you know many owls nest in large tree hollows like this one? And bats are the only mammals that can fly. Possums are the only marsupials in North America. All the excitement tired Owl out. The new bird needed a nap. His friends tucked him in. I like having Owl around. Me too. Me three. We should do something nice for him. A party? Ooh, I love parties. When Owl woke up, Skunk wasn't the only new friend waiting to give him a proper welcome. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all? We cooked for you. That's who. Owl's new home was perfect. It had everything he needed, including new friends. Who's that? Let's find out. The new bird in town.